back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returner, thank you so much for coming back. So today I have another haul for you guys, and we are going to be looking through some items that I got from Fashion Nova. Currently right now they're having like a 40% off, so I would definitely check them out right now. You can get a lot of things for like a small amount of price. So yeah, and also just to remind you guys that I do post clothing haul videos every Friday, so please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button down below so that you won't miss out on any of my video uploads. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's just go straight to the items that I got. And yeah, okay, so the first item that I got is this really pink jeans. These jeans are like so gorgeous. Like when I saw them, I was like, I need to get this. Oh, and by the way, I got everything in a size 0, just in case you were wondering. I got this for, okay, so this cost $50, and like I said, I got this in a size 0. One thing that I like about this jean is, first of all, I love this whole, I don't know what you guys call it, but I love what's going on around here, and I love how it's tied at the bottom. I see myself wearing this with a really nice white or black crop top with some nice pair of heels, and it looks so super like casual and really nice. So yeah, I've never had like, you know, a color jean like this before. I always stick to black and blue, so having something really different to add to my wardrobe is really nice and essential, especially if I want to go out for like really nice events but I don't want to dress up. I can just put this on, wear heels and a nice top, and I'm still looking gorgeous and stunning at the end of the day. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got is this nice lavender dress. This dress is so gorgeous. Like, it is the most comfortable material ever. It feels so good. What the name is called, cut to the chase fuzzy dress. I got it in an extra small and it cost $34.99. I see myself wearing this with a nice pair of sneakers or a nice pair of heels, whichever way you want to like go with it. It can be casual, it can be really outgoing, so it really depends on like what occasion you want to wear it for. But this dress is really gorgeous, and yeah, I don't really have much to say about this dress because I feel like when I put it on for you guys, you really understand the beauty of this dress. It's very simple, but girl, it is gorgeous, like really gorgeous. And yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got from Fashion Nova is this cropped, I mean this is cropped, like it's super, in fact it's close to non-existent. Like, this is super cropped. I would literally say it covers just the boobs. That's basically it, but I mean it is what it is. It's super cute. I can't wait to try it on for you guys. I got it in the mustard, is in a size extra small as well. It's called Smark or Slay. I love the name. But yeah, there's nothing really like too extra special about it, so that you guys haven't like seen before. And yeah, oh my god, this is so exciting because this is actually my first time ordering from Fashion Nova. So looking at this, I feel that I won't be disappointed because the sizing from my, like what I'm seeing right now, it will look perfect on me. And yeah, I just can't wait to try it on for you guys. But let's just finish first. Okay, so the next thing, that was a lot of noise. Anyway, so the next top I got is this orange top. I got it in extra small. It's called No Better Love Sweater. I love the fact that Fashion Nova really know how to give their items really cute names. Yeah, it's just a simple orange top. As you can see, it has this button in front of it, and I would say it's more like a v-neck instead of a round leg, which I love. And it's also a long sleeve, so it's more like a body hugging fitting type of sweater dress, and I really like this about it. So yeah, so the next thing I got is this really cute, oh my god you guys, I can't wait to see how this will look like on me, but I'm very sure it's gonna look so cute on me. Oh my god. I got this in a size extra small. It's called the Straight to It Stripped Sweater Dress. I'm not sure, I think I butchered that name, but anyway, the main reason why I got this bodycon dress is because it's pink and it has like a lot of colors going on, like dark blue, light blue, and it's just a very hugging dress that gives you that extra figure. It makes you have a nice body shape, and I love dresses like this that does it to me because I'm a very slim girl, so we need stuff to complement our body shape. And she stretches as well, so you can go a size down if you like, and to still give you a nice fitting. But I would say don't go too down too much. Like 2 sizes down is like way too much because it's going to be very, very tight and uncomfortable. But just a size down, like 1 size down, would be perfectly fine. I mean, I'm the smallest size, so there's no other down. Okay, enough with the dry jokes. Let me just stop it right there. Okay guys, so the next thing I got is this really nice jumpsuit. Like, this color is gorgeous. Like, it's super gorgeous. Like, I don't know, like Fashion, like before I was very, very like scared to shop on Fashion Nova, just because like when like 2-3 years ago, like whenever I go to their sites, they're always like advertising their products with like very curvy girls, and like I always thought that like maybe they won't cater for my size. So, and I was having like mixed reviews about like the quality. Some people say the quality is good, some people say the quality is not worth it, but from what I'm seeing right now, I think Fashion Nova will just be the place I'll go shop every single day. Because like, did I say every single day? I wish. But anyway, back to this item. Is a jumpsuit. I got this in, I don't even know what color this is. I lied. I know, I wasn't just sure. It's yellow and it costs $39.99, approximately $40. But yeah, it has like a button at the end which gives a nice puff. It gives the hand a nice puffy shape, and also it has like, you know, the length is quite long as well. And it also has like some foam in the boob area, so you don't have to worry about wearing a strapless bra if you don't want to, because it has that in already. But yeah, and for the shoulder area, it's kind of like elastic, so yeah, we'll get to see how that goes. And I love the fact that this hand thing is also, yeah, like the hand area is elastic as well, so this is gonna give it the perfect shape. But yeah, super cute. I just pray these items, they fit me as they look good in my eye. Alright, so the last item that I got is this, what's it called? Is this neon yellow twisted sister top. God, the names are dope. But yeah, it's actually twisted in the front. I kind of get where the name is coming from now. Yeah, it's very twisted in the front. I don't really know how to describe the size, but it's more like a bodycon sweat dress that I got, so you know, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, all right, so guys, if you made it to this part of the video, I'm now gonna try this whole clothing items on for you guys to see how they look like on me, and then yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please also leave down in the comment section down below which item is your favorite, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.